16-year-old Teian is a keen swimmer and is a member of Llanelli Swimming Club, in which he has many different roles, such as captain, volunteer, swimmer, coach and timekeeper. For such a young individual, Teian volunteers a mammoth 20 hours a week, as well as focusing on his own swimming. Teian is a qualified level 2 swim teacher, and as a trained timekeeper he volunteers at local and national Swim Wales events. He is a well-respected member of the club, and his drive and determination are an inspiration to many.
Yn ddisgybl yn ysgol Dyffryn Aman, mae Siôn yn uchel ei barch a wastad wedi bod yn awyddus i helpu ers cyrraedd yr ysgol yn 2017. Yn ogystal â bod yn llysgenad chwaraeon ifanc aur, mae Siôn yn gwirfoddoli ar gyfartaledd 2 awr yr wythnos mewn amrywiaeth o chwaraeon gwahanol o fewn ei ysgol. Dros y flwyddyn diwethaf, mae Siôn wedi helpu mewn amrywiaeth o ddigwyddiadau gwahanol, megis yr Eisteddfod Cenedlaethol, dyddiau pontio a mabolgampau ysgol i enwi dim ond rai. Gellir dibynnu bob amser ar Siôn i gefnogi a helpu mewn unrhyw glwb neu digwyddiad chwaraeon, ac mae'n glod i'r ysgol.
Kira is a well-thought-of member of Dillais Netball Club. Within her club and school, Kira will volunteer up to 5 hours a week to help umpire and coach. Within the last year, she has gained her Umpiring C award and has been nominated to help umpire with Earth competitions. Kira inspires like-minded young athletes of all ages and abilities, and with her knowledge and understanding of the sport, she helps players to grow and gain confidence to take the court and play netball, which is extremely inspirational.